All right, guys. Ask a Felon back with another one, another rapid fire questions. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe. If everybody who watches these videos hit the subscribe button once, I'll get to my 500 point or my 500 subscriber goal, and I can go into more detail about what I've done, how I changed my life, and get into the details of my crime and how I got caught by the fugitive task force. First question, do inmates really fight? Absolutely, 100% inmates fight. They fight all the time in there. Usually it's from somebody running up dead in drugs, or you got some people in there who's just really stupid and they're just careless. They must have made it through life ripping people off, and that's what they did in there. People would get their ass beat over a soup. People get beat up over a little piece of medicine. Next question, would I do it again? Damn, that's a tough one. Yeah, I'd do it again. Knowing what I know now, I wouldn't change it. I'm not saying I would want to do it again and end up back in there, but I wouldn't change what happened because I took a lot of lessons from life being in prison, a lot of lessons being on a run, a lot of lessons after I got out. Remember, guys, hit that subscribe. If everybody who watches this hits that subscribe button, I'll reach my goal and I can go into more detail. What was my biggest mistake? Honestly, my biggest mistake was letting misdemeanors scare me so bad that I let it snowball into me committing felonies to cover my misdemeanor fees. Second mistake would have been talking to the detectives. I didn't know now I didn't know then what I know now, and I should have never talked to the detectives. But I have a conscience, and I eventually told him what was going on, that I did it. Apologized to the guy vouched for me. Said he didn't want to ruin my life. I've been given quite a few chances in life. The truth about addiction no one understands, that it's not a mental thing. People say that all the time. I hear that all the time. Oh, you're just weak minded, or you're weak if you can't beat an addiction. An addiction, you feel physically sick and things like that when you don't have it. And the whole main reason I shot up, I took pills, I've done it all. Crack, coke, shooting up, pills, I've done it all. And an addiction, it's not just a mental thing. It's physically. It can make you physically sick. With that being said, guys, come on, please hit that like, comment, subscribe. Give me up to 500 subscribers so I can go into more detail about the crime I committed, the crimes I committed, and go into details about the day the fugitive task force caught me. And I got stories from when I turned myself in and got given another chance. But with that being said, see ya.